Hi Earthlings, I am Earthrulian of earthlinggorgeous.com, and today I want to show you a review of my favorite contour kit, the Cathy Doll 3D Face Contour. This is the Nefertiti Weapon Contour Kit, and I've been using I've been using this for like I think a month now, and I'm loving it. Isang buwan ko na siyang gamit. And this is how it looks like. There. This is the contour. This is the highlight. And this is the blush. Okay, now. So, to use this, first of all, I use the angle blush. And then make a fish face. And then swipe the color upward in the slanted motion. And blend. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, they brush upward and then blend. Mhm. I also contour my jawline and also my double chin line and my forehead. And then my malahan. Even one. Smile and then brush the blush on top of the apple of your cheek. Smile towards the temple. As always, blend, blend, blend. And then I take small brush, small nose line. Brush all the way down to the tip of your nose. And do the same on the other side. Then take the highlighter and put it on the top of your nose. And I like to put it on the side of my temple because I have shallow hair there. Also highlight on the below my eyebrows to make my eyes bigger. Okay. Mhm. I need highlight on my cheekbone towards the temple para mas bongga. So there you have it, how I use the Shaggy Dog Beauty Contour Kit. Highlight, contour, and brush.
What I really love about the Fancy Doll contour kit is that the pigments last long. Even if I wear it all day and no retouch, my highlights are still noticeable by people and they all love it. And I also love how the color is not so overpowering or so unnatural looking. People really appreciate when you see your I've been using it
to finish this. I think smoothie food mask. Food mask.